Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see stereolithography process. We will see its principle of operation, its components, its working process, its advantages and disadvantages, and its applications. So let's start. Friends, stereolithography process is a liquid-based rapid prototyping system. First, let's see the components of the stereolithography apparatus. Here it is a laser, then here it is optical scanning system, then here it is electric motor. This is a build platform, this one, and here it is a vat of resin, that is a container. Prototype, this is a prototype which we are going to make during the stereolithographic process, and this is a sweeping wiper blade, this one, and here it is a control unit, here it is a system computer. Now friends, let's see the principle of operation. The stereolithographic process is based on two principles. These are two principles here. In this process, the parts are built from photocurable liquid resin. Photocurable liquid resin, that is, this is a photocurable liquid resin here, this one, this all. The layer of photocurable liquid resin, that is thermosetting plastic, is exposed to laser beam, due to which it gets cured and solidified. Due to this laser beam coming from this source, here from this direction the parts get cured and solidified. The part is built layer by layer by repeating the process. Here in this case, friends, parts are built by layer. That is, suppose first it builds this layer, then it builds this second layer, then it builds this third layer, then this fourth layer, and so on. This build platform goes down while doing this process. First, this platform will be here at this position, and it builds the first layer, then it lowers down and builds the second layer. Let's see how it works. After seeing the components here, these are the components of the stereolithographic system. Pre-processing computer, that is this one, then control unit, that is this one, helium cadmium or argon ion laser, that is here this one. Build platform, that is, this is our build platform as we have seen previously. SLA system computer, this is a system computer. Optical scanning system, this is our optical scanning system here. Then vat filled with liquid resin, this is our vat, that is container, and here inside this, here it is liquid resin. And sweeping wiper blade, this is a sweeping wiper blade here. Now friends, let's see the working of the stereolithography process. Here friends, this first, second and third, these three steps are mostly common in every rapid prototyping systems. Let's see. The first step is to create the 3D model. The next step is the pre-processing. Here first is STL file generation, then second part orientation, third is support generation, fourth is checking for STL file, fifth is transmission of STL file, and sixth is slicing of STL model. The real part building process starts with transfer of slice file format data to rapid prototyping machine by system computer. Now friends, let's see. The SLA system consists of an elevator build platform which is mounted in a vat of liquid resin. Elevator build platform. Here friends, this is our elevator build platform, this one. this one our elevator build platform. It is mounted in a vat of liquid resin. It is mounted, as we can see, it is mounted inside this vat of liquid resin. Now let's see this point. The computer controlled optical scanning system redirects the laser beam. The laser beam scans and solidifies the first layer of liquid resin corresponding to the slice data of 2D cross-section to a depth greater than 1 layer thickness. Optical scanning system and scans and solidifies liquid resin. Here friends, first initially our build platform will be in this position, and one layer thickness will be this much, one layer thickness, and the laser beam coming from this laser and redirects by this optical scanning system here from this direction to this direction. And this laser beam, by using the data, slice data, scans and solidifies the first layer of the liquid resin here. And after that friends, this is next point, after scanning and solidifying one layer, the build platform is then lowered by a depth equal to one layer thickness and left for short time to so that the liquid resin settle and on the cured solid layer. Here friends, after scanning and solidifying, this build platform lowers go down, as I have said previously, goes down by equal to one layer thickness, equal to one layer thickness is goes down, and it stays there for some time so that this liquid resin goes above the solidified or cured part, settle down on this. Let's see here. Here friends, suppose this build platform is now here and this is our solidified part, and it stays here so that this liquid resin goes above it. And then friends, after that, next point is here, a sweeping wiper blade moves across the surface to coat a new layer of resin on a solid layer. The thickness of a new layer of resin is equal to one layer thickness. The laser beam scans and solidifies the new layer of liquid resin. Here friends, sweeping wiper blade, that is this one, is used to coat a new layer of the liquid resin on the build on a solidified layer of the prototype, like this. It moves in horizontal direction like this, and it coats the new liquid resin layer on the previously solidified one layer of the prototype. Again the process is repeated as we have seen previously. The process is repeated and the part is completely built. The build platform is then raised out of the vat and part is removed for post processing. As a part of post processing, the part is placed in a ultraviolet oven to harden any uncured resin. Friends, you can easily understand the advantages, limitations and applications of the stereolithographic process by reading it. So please pause this video and read the advantages, limitations, applications of the stereolithographic process. So friends, in this video we have learned principle of operation of stereolithography process, its components, working of stereolithography process, its advantages, limitations, and applications. Thank you.